Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the iPhone 12 Pro. I finally decided to make the switch from Android very hesitantly, but I'm really enjoying the 12 right now. I did get the 6.1-inch display in silver. Originally, I was really looking at the 11, and I really wanted like a colorful color, like maybe the purple or the green, but I'm really loving the silver because it will look good with any case I decide to use with it and any outfit I decide to wear with it. Now, even though they say it's silver, it's actually white on the back and just silver on the sides. It really gives it that sleek look and I love it. When I was debating whether to get the 12 or the 12 Pro, I really like the feel of the 12 Pro more. It just felt more sturdy, and the 12, it looked a little bit plasticky and I don't like that. But to be fair, that's only in comparison to the 12 Pro. As to what came in the box, it was really small. It was just the phone, the USB-C lightning cable, the sticker, the iPhone sticker, an instructions booklet that I didn't even bother to read, and also the SIM card tray remover. That's all. Now for the accessories that I got my phone case and the screen protector from Target. It was really last minute, so I didn't get to really order one that I really liked, but I was pretty pleased with how it looked. I did eventually get some additional accessories for the phone, such as a pop socket, which I really loved, and it's super cute. Even though it's not in the video right now, I'm still gonna link it in the description below. So because the phone only came with the USB-C lightning cable, I did have to purchase the power adapter separately. It's a 20-watt one and it's definitely worth it. It charges my phone super fast